Some actually give up because coming here, I came as a student. But if you're like an immigrant and you have families to feed, that's a lot.
Jenny Arseno had already worked for 5 years as a registered nurse in the Philippines, but she says the road to get licensed to practice in Canada was long and expensive.
Well, the whole process took me like 3 years to get my registered nurse.
After taking that first licensing exam, an internationally educated nurse has to then apply to meet the requirements for the province they want to practice in. In BC, it can take up to 2 years or more for them to practice here. Health Minister Adrian Dix says there will be more support to help them navigate the system and less fees and applications.
Internationally educated nurses play a vital role in addressing the current demand, as we've said, of our healthcare system. And I think consolidating their assessment processes is a crucial step in ensuring people across the province have access to the healthcare needs.
The BC government is introducing fast-track strategies for internationally educated nurses starting in May. They include a single application and fee for both licensed practical nurse and registered nurse registration, and a triple-track process to assess an applicant's competency for 3 nursing designations at one time: RN, LPN, and healthcare assistant, and $9 million in bursaries to help with assessment fees. The BC Nurses Union supports the move as the province's nurses continue to deal with staffing shortages further magnified by the pandemic.
Last year, there were thousands of nursing positions across this province that went unfilled. So I believe these efforts to streamline the process for these internationally trained nurses is one very positive step in the right direction.
Advocates for international nurses say the changes are a signal that they're welcome to work in their profession in BC.
It's a welcome news. It's been something that we were trumpeting for the past few years, how it has gotten to be so difficult for foreign trained nurses to get qualified to work in BC.
The province says a campaign to promote the new initiatives will get underway shortly and hope to attract new nurses to the province. Mira Baines, CBC News, Victoria.